Welcome back everyone to part 3 of my EventEase project built using C#, ASP.NET Core MVC, Entity Framework Core, SQL Server, Azure SQL Database, and Azure Blob Storage. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the new functionality that was added to the system, including event types, advanced search and filtering, booking management, Azure storage integration, and cloud deployment. The application has also been published to Azure, allowing it to run live as a web application. The first feature I'll demonstrate is event types. When creating a new event, the system now provides a drop-down called event type. From this drop-down, I can select options such as, let me just show you. Like for example, if I'm creating a music event, I can enter the event details, select the venue, choose concert. The drop down there will show conference, wedding, concert, birthday, and or corporate. And then I just upload the image and save. Once the event is saved, the selected event type is stored in the database using the event type table and linked to the event through the event type ID foreign key. This allows every event in the system to be categorized correctly and makes searching much more efficient. Next, I'll demonstrate the search events page. This feature allows to locate events quickly without manually browsing through every record. If I enter a part of the event title to the search, the system searches the database and returns matching. For example, if I type music, only events containing the word music in their title will be displayed. The system performs the search using a query against the event table. I can also filter events using event type dropdown. For example, if I select conference, the system only displays events that have been assigned to the conference event type. This works by comparing the selected event type against the event type ID stored for each event in the database. The search page also includes start date and end date filters. For example, if I select 1 June 2026 and end date for 30 June 2026, the application will display events occurring within the date range. This helps find upcoming events during a specific period. Another feature is the venue availability filter. When this filter is selected, the application checks booking information and displays only events that currently have available capacity. This provides users with a quick way to find events that still have booking opportunities. I also implemented a booking search feature. When navigating search page, users can search using event name or booking ID. As you can see, the application retrieves data from the database view called booking date details. This SQL view combines information from bookings, venues, or events. As a result, users can view complete booking information without needing multiple database queries. The search results display useful information such as customer details, event information, venue details, and booking dates. When creating an event, I can upload an image using the file upload control. Instead of storing the actual image inside the SQL database, the image is uploaded on to Azure Blob Storage. Azure stores the file inside the venue image container right there. Azure generates a URL for the image. The URL is saved in the database. When the event is displayed later, the application retrieves the image using the URL and displays it directly from Azure storage. This approach improves performance and reduces database storage requirements. This application's data is now stored in Azure's SQL storage. Whenever I create venues, events, bookings, event types, the information is saved directly to the cloud database. Before concluding the project, I would also like to mention that the Azure resources created from this demonstration, including Azure App Service, Azure SQL Database, Azure SQL, and Azure Storage, will be deleted after my assessment. This is being done according to the assignment requirements and to avoid unnecessary cloud resource usage and costs. The purpose of creating